And I want to tell you guys something that'll make an incredible difference in your business if you'll just commit to doing it today. It won't take you but a couple of extra minutes with each seller conversation that you have. And that is, if you have a conversation with a seller, and a conversation is not a text, okay? So let's make sure we understand that. A conversation is on a Zoom, it's face-to-face, it's on the phone. You actually talk to these people. It's not a random text that says, hey, you want to sell your house? But if it gets beyond that, if it's a face-to-face or on the phone where you actually hear someone else's voice or see their face, and you talk to them, even if they say no to your offer, ask them if you can send them a written offer. Virtually no one will refuse. It gives you an opportunity to put something in their hand. And we like to do it with a couple of different offers. We'll actually show them what cash offer we can make. And after we whack them over the head with that, which is generally going to be a lot less than they want, we'll show them a couple of other options. It may be a sub-2, it may be creative finance or seller finance of some nature. I mean, heck, if you're into lease options, it could be a lease option offer, but it actually shows them how much more money they can make working with your offer. And we'll actually also throw in a comparison. If you decide to go with an agent, this is probably what it'll cost you to sell. So it includes a mini cost to sell in that as well. And it does a couple of things. It sets you apart from so many people. I mean, how many people have a conversation with a seller? Seller says no, they never speak to them again. They don't even put them in a CRM or follow-up. Forget about putting a written offer in their hand. And it's really just a letter of intent. It's non-binding, but it means something to the seller. So how many of those do you think they get? I'm going to say not many. Put that in their hand, send it to them in an email, send it to them in the mail, and then it gives you an excuse to follow up beyond that. Hey, I sent over my offer a couple of days ago. What did you think? Did you have any questions? It gives you the opportunity to open up some additional conversation. So let that be the one actionable thing that you can do today to change your business. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.